Hello everyone, myself Karthik Chopra and today I will be presenting my SEM 5 project Hotel guided by architect Dinesh Jatiraukar. Before starting the design, the first step is site analysis. Site is located at ABB Circle. Site has two major axes, one 30-meter wide road which leads to Trambak and other 25-meter wide road which leads to CCM. Site surrounding is in developing phase and it is located at very high traffic area. Next step is case study. To study the typology better, case study of Radisson Blu, Delhi was done. From that, got to learn that while designing hotel, there are some standards which need to be followed and kept in mind, and segregation of front and back areas and circulation of services, guest vehicles, guest and other thing was learned here, and the placing of different areas was also learned here, like the placing of MVP areas, the placing of services areas like kitchen, staff area, and the placing of entrance lobby, etc. The main guest entry is taken from 30-meter wide road as it contains the major circulation of the city. As we can see, large chunk is left in front of site to give foreground to the building, and as well as it will used for the gathering purpose. The guest exit is taken from 25-meter wide road which leads towards CCM, as there is a cut provided in between the divider for the U-turn. Before moving further, let's look at how the building is formed and took place. The main idea was that the chaotic situation which happens in the hotel entrance lobby can be avoided by segregating or by aparting the two buildings for the different function. One is as guest lobby and other is the convention lobby. Ground floor. After entering in the road, After entering, the road will lead to drop-off point. Here, two building block on the right, the hotel lobby, and on the left, convention block. This level contain all the services. Placing of mother kitchen is done that it is connected to the service core to provide service to all the restaurant. There is a link formed between the staff areas like staff parking, sanitation booth, timekeeper to the changing areas. MVPs are provided on the outer face as machinery will exhaust lot of heat. Basement, there are two basement levels. Total capacity of 162 parking. Service floor. It contains all the back office department linked by service lift. Seminar floor level. One block there is a combination of deluxe and presidential room, and on the other side seminar hall with meeting room is located with a separate kitchen to serve them. Health and fitness floor. It contains the main restaurant with sitting capacity of 150. One side is the spa and the other side is the gym. Typical floor plan. It contains 8 deluxe room and 10 standard room. There is a scope to form a bigger unit by combining two standard rooms as there is a door provided in between them. Presidential suite. Presidential suite has a combination of living plus dining area with a mini bar cum kitchen with attached powder room. Main bedroom has a private outdoor area attached to it. The major difference between deluxe and standard room is the bath area. The deluxe room contains the bathtub plus shower, and at the other place standard rooms contain only the shower area. This floor contains two presidential suite, 4 deluxe room and 10 standard room. This is the second highest level in order to provide view from the presidential rooms. The refuge area is provided as per the DCPR. In order to accommodate pool sunk, a area is provided. At roof level, infinity pool plus bar plus a specialty restaurant is provided. Sections. For human comfort, the ratio of area to height is kept in mind, and according to height of area is decided. For example, convention has a large area and it will have large gathering. So 6 meter height is provided to avoid suffocation. Elevations. These are certain views. Thank you. There are 360 degrees, so why stick to one? By Zahadi. Stay home, stay safe, have a good